Draft lines are essential components of any beer draft system, responsible for transporting beer from the keg to the tap. Proper cleaning and maintenance of draft beer system is crucial, as buildup of bacteria, yeast, and other residues can affect the taste and freshness of the beer. Regular cleaning and sanitation of the lines are recommended to ensure optimal performance and flavor. This should be done at the minimum every 2 weeks. Since each draft beer system is unique, there is no one-size-fits-all method for cleaning them. Two main cleaning methods for beer lines are recirculation using an electric pump and static or pressure pot cleaning. Static cleaning is used for draft lines that are less than 15 feet or 5 meters long. This method necessitates a contact time of 20 minutes with the cleaning solutions to compensate for the absence of circulation. Prior to cleaning the draft lines, fill the cleaning canister with warm tap water. For static pot cleaning, a bucket is positioned beneath the faucet and the keg couplers are detached from the kegs and connected to the cleaning canister containing water. Warm water is then used to flush all the beer out of the lines, initiating the cleaning process. Once this step is complete, a caustic cleaning solution at 40 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit is prepared and added to the cleaning canister. After all the beer has been flushed from the lines, the keg couplers are reattached to the cleaning canister containing the warm caustic solution. When the faucets are opened, the cleaning solution begins to flow into the bucket. The faucets are then closed, allowing the solution to soak for a minimum of 20 minutes. Faucets also require regular cleaning. They should be removed from the draft station, disassembled, and cleaned by hand. This can be done while cleaning solution is soaking in the beer lines for 20 minutes. After the soak time is complete, the cleaning solution must be flushed out of the lines using fresh, cold water. This rinsing process should continue until the pH of the rinse water is neutral. Once there is no trace of the cleaning solution in the lines, the keg couplers should also be rinsed with water. Retap the kegs and open the faucets to flush the rinse water out of the lines with beer. Finally, spray the ends of the faucets with peracetic acid solution and cap them. Draft lines should also be cleaned with an acid line cleaner. This should be done every 3 months minimum. It is essential to ensure that your draft lines are cleaned regularly. Serving great tasting beer from properly cleaned draft lines is the best way to keep your customers coming back.